Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. So for the first step, what you can try is that you can try to clear your temporary files. So to do so, what you can do is that you can click on the Windows key on your keyboard and then you can type in run over here. After typing in run, you'll have to select the first option. Over here you'll have to type in temp and then you'll have to click on OK. Now you'll have to click on continue and you'll have to select all the files. To select all the files, you can click on Ctrl A and then you can just click on Ctrl D to delete them. And for this you can just do this for all the current items and then click on skip. And now you'll have to again open run and now you'll have to type in hashtag, sorry not hashtag, or the percentage sign temp and then again the percentage sign and then click on OK. Over here you'll have to repeat the same steps, Ctrl A and Ctrl D, or you can just select all the files using your mouse and you can just click on this small check over here and then click on skip. Now you'll have to again, for the last step, you can just again open run and you'll have to type in prefetch and then click on OK. Over here you'll have to click on continue and then click on Ctrl A and Ctrl D again and then check this skip. So now you can just clear your recycle bin. Just click on empty recycle bin and then yes, and now your problem should be solved and your application should be working on the Windows 11. But if it's still not working, I'll be showing you a final last step. So for the second fix, you'll have to again go to the search and then type in settings over here. You'll have to now click on the settings app. Now you'll have to type in the search bar over here view advanced system settings and you can see the first option over here. You'll have to click on this view advanced system settings. Over here you'll see these options on the top. You'll have to select on advanced and then you'll have to click on settings over here. Now over here from the top you'll have to select data execution prevention and then you'll have to click on this turn on the EB for all programs and then you'll have to click on apply over here. So you'll have to restart the computer after this, and if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is that you can just click on add and you can just select the specific folder for you or the application which is showing the error. So for example, if I select you can just click on the small arrow over here and you can select the location. And for example, if you have the program on your desktop, you can just click on desktop and you can select the application over here, or you can just change the location from here. You can select your different drive or C drive or D drive and you can just click on open and you can set the settings and then you'll have to click on apply and OK. So for me, I'm not facing the error, so I'm not selecting any application, and this should fix your problem. If this video would have helped you, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.